Once you've logged into the PowerAdSpy dashboard, select the Google Network icon on the left. At the top, you'll see the search bar where you can search for ads by domain, advertiser, or keywords. Below the search bar is the filter option, allowing you to narrow down ads by ad type and ad supposition. In the land or properties section, you can choose an affiliate network or e-commerce platform to refine your search further. Let's try searching for mobile under the domain option. The results displayed are based on both Google and Bing search engines. At the top, we see Amazon in the first position. By clicking on Show Keywords, we can view the associated keywords. Here, you can also see details such as the number of ads, days seen, and advertisers. Scrolling down, you'll find the top ads on Google. To dive deeper, click on the Analytics icon, which provides insights like targeted countries and basic ad details. Now, moving back, select the PPC Competitors option for Google to view various competitors. Click on Ads to see all the ads currently running on Google. For Bing, you can follow the same process. Under PPC Competitors, you'll find details like advertisers, days seen, and the number of ads. Then click Show Keywords to view all targeted keywords. Select Bing and scroll down. Here you'll discover the top ads on Bing. Click on the Analytics icon to explore further and learn about the target countries for these ads.